Hey, these days you're working from home, but you're not happy. You're not satisfied. You're not feeling better, right? You're feeling a bit low. There are so many studies and research already being done that why people who have been from so long willing to work from home, now that they've got this opportunity to do, why are not they feeling good? And different studies, different researchers have found that there are many reasons for that. Why I'm talking about it? Because I already am a certified happiness coach and I also work at a leadership position in one of the reputed organizations. And I have been working from home since the last 7 8 months now, and I can clearly feel the pain and the pressure and the stress that we get while being at home and working and managing the personal life as well. In this complete video series, I'll be talking about such tips and tricks which are proven by science or the data or the research, and they seems to have worked well for millions and millions of people like you and me who are working from home. So today, that hack that I'm going to talk about is having a virtual lunch with your friend or your colleague. You remember when we used to go to work, we used to have this dedicated lunchtime and we used to sit with our colleagues, share jokes, share our personal stories, life at home, or any other incident that has happened. And we used to talk about everything except work. So therefore, that half an hour or 1 hour of a break used to become a very good typical break away from work, and we used to get our stress released. But this is not happening these days, right? We have been back to back meetings, and suddenly we step out, take a quick lunch, and come back. And this lunchtime, also, we are not talking with anyone other than the family members, whom, anyways, we are spending a lot of time with. So, therefore, research has suggested that you take this lunch break, but be on a call with your friend. Just assume the way you are sitting in office or in your office cafeteria. Similarly, just have this virtual call with your friend, share your stories, share your talk about everything except work, and spend this dedicated lunch hour by talking to your friends and sharing your feelings. That way, you will feel much more relaxed, and you will be able to experience this break as a typical break away from work. Do implement that in your day-to-day life going forward, and please subscribe to my channel or follow me, because I'm going to talk about many such hacks which are already proven by science, and they seems to be working and doing wonders for many people who are working from home. I'll see you soon in my next video.